strong. Sweet and strong.
Well,
Not bad. Good morning from our Airbnb. We're hidden in nature.
Hi guys, welcome to another video and we're in Slovenia. We're actually staying at the last house in the forest, which might be creepy, but we actually enjoyed the last few days at this place because it has a beautiful garden, but you can also take a hike in the back of the nature where it is located. So if you love nature, garden, bees and everything, you are more than welcome to join us on this morning hike.
Natural water coming from the river nearby. Natural pool. Hangout spot. Natural pool. The water coming out, water coming in. And you can see the beautiful garden. Peace paradise. Berries. And the fruit ninja.
these are, I
What
know
do you
in
call
Dutch, in Dutch we say frambozen, but I don't know what they call them in English. Raspberry.
Raspberry. And in Spanish?
Frambuesa. Yep.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to try one.
It's raspberries.
Reshma, did you see the bumblebee? Should I take this one?
Yeah.
Wow.
No, that one is not the taking. You should try this one.
Okay, I'll leave this one for the animals.
Clean it a little bit. Here you go.
This one is a beautiful one. Pretty good. Just like the supermarket.
Yeah.
I like it. Bumblebee and flowers paradise. See the butterflies. See one over here. Oops. Butterfly paradise. Look how many. Look how many butterflies. Butterflies everywhere. Oh, outdoor shower.
Yeah.
Look at these flowers. I'm not a flower guy, but so we rented the second floor and the third floor. 2 bedrooms. I think 7 beds for 112 euros a night. I think it's a pretty good deal.
You can see all the bumblebees, very active.
Oh,
On the sunflowers.
Let me check the bumblebee. So carefully. Look at this beautiful butterfly. I'm not sure if we're going to swim, but the water's all coming from the river, so clean water. You can see some grass. I don't know how you call it in English, those green grass on the bottom of the pool. Imagine sleeping and you can just hear the flow of the water, absorb it all in. It's just awesome. Let me check. Oh, it's pretty cold. Actually, they said if you walk to the creek or a river, you should walk making some noise, because there are some bear active in this area. Bear activities. But these bears are not the big ones. They're pretty friendly, I read. Oh, I feel like the temperature dropping as well. So this water is coming to our Airbnb. You see? Check out the size of these leaves. Huge. I don't have a big hand, but they are huge. This is my excitement when you spend most of your time in the office or at home. You tend to embrace these things more. This is the water going to our Airbnb. So if I drop a paper boat in here, it should actually stream all the way back to our Airbnb and the pool. I think you might see it. It's like a crab. See it? My friend. Look. Look. Oh, it's run away. It disappeared. This is not a balance bridge. shower yet. This is my shower. Awat ah. Delicious, refreshing. This will either be a beautiful shot or a blooper. I don't know. This is my view. Look at my legs, dangling. Little Christmas tree. Merry Christmas, guys.
Bang. Kayak bang.
Last but not least. This is the source of the river, but as you can see, it's all dried up. We're in the middle of summer, so sorry, movie kita siya yun, man. Hunting ground. Hunting tree. Honey, I'm home. Honey, I'm home. We finally got a place where we can do the laundry. I have the honor to see Jair shower for once with the most beautiful
It
view.
doesn't get any better than this. Het wel eens stinkies.
Är det fru?
Basta fru. Bra met de Iceman.